When markets move sharply, most people they look at prices, but smart investors they always look at events because prices react, but events explain why. Hello guys, my name is Himang and welcome to Basics with Himang. So in today's video, we will look at the first half of 2025 month by month to understand three things. First, what was the major event which happened in that particular month? Second, how it impacted economy and markets. And third, what are the key lessons for us for 2026? So do watch this video till the end to gain more understanding. Let's begin. So at the start of 2025, which is January 2025, global institutions like IMF and World Bank projected moderate but fragile growth because inflation had eased compared to previous years, but growth was still uneven. So markets started the year with cautious optimism, and investors preferred more stable companies with predictable earnings rather than risky bets. So 2025 January teaches us two things. First is early optimism doesn't always mean smooth sailing, and second, markets price expectations, not guarantees. In February 2025, global leaders and tech companies met at the AI Action Summit in Paris, reinforcing AI as a long-term economic driver. So, how markets and economy reacted to this event? Well, innovative themes or technology and AI-focused companies or stocks they gained attention, and money or capital started flowing into innovation theme while traditional sectors lagged. So, this event in February 2025 teaches us two things. First thing is that big themes do not play out overnight. And second, structural trends like AI, they always reward patience, not short-term speculations. In March 2025, the US escalated tariffs on trade partners including China, Mexico, and Canada. So this event revived the fears of global trade slowdown. And global markets around the world reacted to this event very sharply. Volatility spiked, supply chain stocks fell, and inflation expectations rose. So, if we look at the key learnings from this event, well, the key learning is that policy risk is real. One political decision can impact global markets overnight. Hence, diversification is not optional these days. It has become a mandatory protective element. April 2025 saw continued uncertainty with tariffs, interest rate speculations, and stretched valuations. So market remained sideways, and investors shifted focus towards more quality and defensive stocks. So April 2025 teaches us that not every market phase offers a clear buying opportunity, and sometimes doing nothing is also a right decision at times. In May 2025, global institutions like IMF revised growth outlook, warning about potential downside risks from trade tension and slowing consumption and demand. So this made investors more cautious, and gold and bonds saw renewed interest from investors as safe haven assets. So May 2025 teaches us that whenever growth slows, safety becomes more important. Hence, balanced portfolio are preferred compared to aggressive ones. So in June 2025, geopolitical tension around the Strait of Hormuz raised fears of oil supply disruption. So due to this event, oil prices went up, energy stocks gained, and inflation concerns resurfaced. So this event teaches us that geopolitical risks always impact commodities first, and energy shocks impact inflation and daily life. So if we connect all these months together, a few clear learnings emerge. First is markets are event driven, they are not random. Second, policy and geopolitics matter as much as earnings do. Third, long term discipline beats short term speculations. Fourth, volatility is now normal, it is not an exception anymore. Fifth, staying diversified is always a good choice. And last but not the least, understanding events reduces fear. So guys, the goal is not to predict market, but to understand what really moves them. So in next part of the video, I will touch upon major events from July 2025 till December, and we would look at all these events one by one how these events impacted markets and how economy and different markets reacted to it. And we would try to take key lessons from them, which could really help us in 2026. I hope after watching this video you have gained some understanding, and you would be in a position to take better decisions and understand these events better. Let me know in the comment section which event from 2025 has really surprised you. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.